In the Allthenticate admin portal, we're able to adjust the door settings by clicking on a door in the list. Here we see a variety of settings, including the time to lock after disconnection from the phone, time to keep the door unlocked, and interval for pinging the phone. There's also smart card backwards compatibility, and we're able to enable or disable that here. There are other settings such as making a beeping sound to have an audible cue when it connects to your phone, or having an external actuator available, whether it being a button or motion detection to unlock a door. Here we can also see the access logs for any doors. This shows us any time that the door has been accessed, connected to, or disconnected. If we go down, we can add the number of items to the list and go as far back as we want to see the logs.